Jamaican Shanyon McPherson, who migrated to Montserrat, joins us to share how she's building a successful business and thriving as a successful farmer entrepreneur. I don't know why she never invited me so I could be thriving with her. Good morning, Shanyon. How are you? Welcome to Smile. How are you?
Good morning, Neville. Thank you for having me. I'm very good.
It is my pleasure. When did you go to Montserrat and why did you go?
So after the eruption of the volcano, my mom migrated to here in '99, and shortly after 2001, she took me up here when I was around 12 years old, and I continued to complete my secondary education here.
Yeah. What is it like now? Because I remember the volcano and everyone had to leave Montserrat. And I think when I was reading a couple of weeks ago, I think there must be, 5,000 people live there, or if that much? So what is it like now?
So when I came, the population was just over 4,000 people.
Yeah.
And most people migrated prior to the volcano. However, currently now is about less than 5,000 people, as you said earlier.
Yeah. But the volcano is dormant, I suspect?
No, it's not dormant. It's still active. It's just not giving off any pyroclastic flow now or any form of eruption.
It's still active then, Shannon? What are you doing if it's still active? You're not afraid?
Because it's peaceful and it's quiet. I don't have no crime, no violence. The water tastes so good. You can leave your door open. My husband is a police officer and they don't even use weapon here.
Oh, beautiful. As an older man, I remember when Jamaica police didn't carry a gun. That is many, many years ago. So you left at 12, but any similarities with Jamaica?
In terms of... No.
No similarities.
It's very peaceful, very quiet.
Yeah.
There is no street light, there is no accident, there is no murder of that significance. You only have a murder like once every 10 to 20 years here.
Oh, beautiful. So let me move, come down, let come sit down a little bit still. All right, so I said you started a business. What are you doing?
So I am in agriculture.
As in farming?
Farming, yes.
And what products?
So I do quick crop. I do onions, I do watermelons, I do everything, anything you could plant.
Yeah, is farming big? Do you have a whole lot of farmers there or no?
Well, Montserrat do a lot of importation.
Yeah.
Right, we import majority of our stuff. So I was working as a officer within the port authority.
Yep.
And I went to St. Lucia for a week training by the OECS to do a training in agriculture. However, when I came back, I was so excited. I resigned from my job and I went full-time into farming.
Beautiful.
There isn't much farmers here. You have a few farmers that will do farming for their backyard purposes.
Yeah.
But I need to fill that gap. And that's what I did.
What am I looking at? Is that your farm I'm looking at on screen?
Yes. So I do sweet corn and I reaped about 6,000 head and that goes so fast.
And this is just for people in Montserrat or do you export?
I am not started to export though yet. I'm looking at it, but I'm almost there.
Yeah, you said you went and when you came back you were so excited, but where did this come from? Why farming in the first place? When did that hit you that maybe this is what I could do? And did you have a plan B? Was there anything else you thought that maybe you could throw your hat in?
I throw my hats in several arenas. I used to do electrical installation also. I started farming. Well, when my mom came here and she took all their children here, she was a single mom and we usually do backyard farming where we plant in the backyard and that was a extra income, right? So the passion is from there and go way back to, I am from James Hill, Clarendon, right? We usually do farming to export, right? From my early age. So the passion is from there.
Okay, so you kind of still have a little Jamaican in Montserrat in your farming.
Yes, yes.
You were given an award last week. What is that about? Tell me about that.
So I got an inaugural award from the governor, Miss Harriet Cross. She is the governor for Montserrat.
Yeah, what the award was for what?
It's for excellence in agriculture and entrepreneurship and welfare, community welfare.
Okay, beautiful. You come to Jamaica often?
Oh yes, every year.
All right. Just before we go.
That's where I got most of my seeds from.
Oh, beautiful. All right. Anyone you want to say hi to before you go in Jamaica?
Oh yes, I want to big up Abigail. I want to big up Franklin Garibaldi. I want to big up St. Jago Farm Store in a Spanish town. Roger, specifically. Neville Bell, I always want to do an interview with you. Oh, thank you very much for having me. Bigging up TVJ. In Montserrat, I want to big up the Premier of Montserrat. That is Mr. Ruben T. Mead, Kevin West, my husband, Philip McPherson, my mom, Livira Anderson, my children, everybody. Thank you. The community of Montserrat, thank you all very much for your overwhelming support.
And thank you for sharing with us this morning. Great to see you. Look after yourself. And it seems like you're going to just be, because you look like you're doing some stuff that I really like. I'm impressed. Thanks for speaking with us. God bless you and your family. And stay safe. Hopefully the volcano won't erupt anytime.
I'm safer than you.
Huh?
I'm safer than you.
Well, we don't know about that, but that sounds good. Good to see you. Shanyon McPherson, farmer and entrepreneur. All right, folks, up next, we get a dance performance. Stay with us, soon come.